Alright, it's your friend Brad, and I'm in New York City, and as some of you know, I came up from Florida with only a hoodie and 40 bucks, hoping it was going to be an early spring here, and definitely did not work out in my favor, as the winter storm Stella has come through, and the New Jersey transit system shut down. Greyhound shut down today. There are New York City buses running, but it's a mess out here, as you can see. And I'm going to go over to the pizza joint and get a couple of dollar slices. Hopefully that'll make me feel a little bit better with some marinara. And the wind's going pretty good and blowing icy snow in my face as we get ready to turn it off here so I can go inside and get warm.